Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the proxy pattern in Java, a structural design pattern that acts as a placeholder or an intermediary for another object. It's a super handy and widely used, so let's dive right in. So what is a proxy pattern? A proxy pattern provides a surrogate or a placeholder for another object to control access to it. This is especially useful when the object is resource intensive to create, access to the object needs to be controlled, or you want to add additional functionality without modifying the object itself. Let's jump straight into some code. We're going to show the first example, so where the object is resource intensive to create. Imagine we have a class called real_image, and this class implements the image interface, which expect us to implement the display method. The real image loads and displays an image. Loading an image can be resource intensive, as you might know, and so we're going to try to create a proxy to handle this efficiently. Here, let's look at the implementation of the real image. We have the constructor where we are calling the load from disk, which just prints out some message, and we have our display method, which is also printing out that we are displaying the file that we're trying to show as an image. So now let's have a look at the implementation of the proxy image. Here, the real image class represents our main object. It loads the image from the disk, which can be the expensive operation. The proxy image class implements the same interface as the real image. It holds a reference to the real object, but delays its creation until it is actually needed. This is called lazy initialization. Finally, let's see how we can use these classes in a demo. In our proxy pattern demo here, we have our image, which is the instance of the proxy image, and we're calling the display method 2 times. When we run this code, the image is only loaded the first time the display is called, and the second call reuses the already loaded image. We can see this from the output of our console here. And that's it. The proxy pattern helps us optimize performance and add additional functionality like access control or logging. It's widely used in scenarios like lazy initialization, caching, and access control in real-world applications. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.